Hi, Jonas here with Casket Builder Supply. Let's take a closer look at what we call separable hinges in the casket trade. Now I have the two different style hinges that we have available. We've got our edge mount that is made to precisely fit over the edge of a casket wall that is 3/4 of an inch thick. And if you had a molding on here, I've also got the flat mount. So they both work pretty much the same way. The flat mount's going to fit on your wider or thicker casket walls, whereas the edge mount will fit on your more plain or simple casket walls that don't have a molding. Now, why separable? So this is how the separable hinge works. You've got your hinge base and you've got your hinge stud. The hinge stud is what attaches to the lid, and it fits very precisely like that. We've got another one here. Now what I'm going to show you is when that lid's on the casket, if you open the casket, this hinge does not separate. You can't get this out of here. It's stuck in there. But if you open the casket just past 90 degrees, now this will lift out. So you can lift that lid off. So this is very convenient when you finish up all of the work in the wood shop and the lid is precisely positioned and it closes and it latches. Then you move over to your finishing shop. You can actually remove that lid very easily without taking any of the screws out or changing any of the position of the components. And you can put a finish on that lid. Then when you get to the upholstery shop, you can do the same thing. You can open this casket just past 90 degrees and lift that lid off to do the upholstery of the lid and upholstery of the casket, and then when you're all done, assemble it back. So that's why in the casket trade we make these hinges that are called separable hinges.